Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how or what I'm packing for my next trip. I'm heading to Maui. Yay, super excited. And I decided to pack just my carry-on. I do not want to bring an extra bag. Then I have to go get it. And it's like, I don't want to deal with the check-in. Just want to get there, meet my friend, and just go have a good time. So the reason I'm showing is mainly to kind of show that what I pack, it might be quite a bit as you see it here. I'm going to have a picture I'm going to show you. But everything I have is actually pretty lightweight. And I do like variation. I like to bring long sleeve, short sleeve, hiking clothes, swimming clothes, jackets in case it rains, flip-flops, shoes for the water, hiking shoes, and also things clothes to go out. But my aim is always to bring things that are pretty lightweight so I can have that variation when I'm there and I'm not missing anything. And my hope is that I can fit all this stuff. I'll be showing it to you, and I'll have a list of this under the description if you're interested to see it. And then after this video, I'll do another one with the photography stuff. So what I carry when I travel or when I go outdoors. I don't bring all my lenses. Also, I try to pack as light as I can, but I do have to have at least 3 lenses. But anyway, that will come next. For now, I'm just going to show you what I'm carrying. Then I'm going to try to pack it. If for some reason it does not fit on my carry-on, for sure that I'm going to have to leave some stuff behind. I am not willing to do a check-in of my bag. So yeah, follow along. Right now you see just the spread. I'll be putting a couple of pictures and putting the note of what those things are under the description. If you want to follow along and see how my trip goes, I'll have other shorts and also a longer version type of video later when my trip is over. All right. Super excited, and now let me show you all the gear that I'm bringing with me, or I will say the clothing. I'll start packing the tank tops and see how that goes. Again, I try to pack things as I'm going to wear them there. So I'm saying the best way to do this, I'll start with these Arc'teryx pants. They are super, super lightweight. And then I like to just fold them, get them all nice and tight there, wrinkle-free. So I'll put one. Then I have these on tank tops, right? And this one, and I'm going to just lay it right next to it. So then when I'm ready to wear it, it just all comes together. This is exactly the same, just different colors. Okay, so as you see, I already fit 4 pieces here. And I think what I'll do on this one, I'm also going to add the Free People pants. These ones, I love. I wear it all the time. Very comfortable, lightweight as well. I have 3 colors of it. And just bring it 2. Same thing, I'm gonna roll it, put it right here. 1, 2, I can still fit something else there. I'm gonna add the extras. I'm gonna have these extra travel pants. So I have 3 long, actually I have 5 long pants here and 2 t-shirts. And then I wanted to wear vest. So you can see everything is packed and ready on this one. Now, I want to do another one, see how fast I can go. I'm going to use one of the smaller ones for all of the tank tops. If you want to see on the arm, very nice, very comfortable, lightweight, soft in the skin. And I got 3 of this. So I'm going to put them right there. And then I'm going to fit all the other Athleta clothing, such as regular shorts for the beach. Got 2 of those. same. I got the shirts that go with it. And the other tank tops are just to be used with anything whenever I need them. So that fits very well right there. And that's another. I want to do now another small one for the underwear and the sockies. So I'll put all of the underwear there, socks. Hopefully it will fit. It all fits. I might just even include all the swimming stuff. And I think it does. So I'm going to do all my swimming gear right there and the underwear. There we have it. And that's it. Now we got 3. So 1, 2, 3. One more for the extra hiking clothing and my long sleeve. These REI are great. I bought them last year, so I bought 3 colors, same thing. So then I don't have to think, when I'm going hiking, I like to use this. I got 3 short sleeve, and then instead of bringing 2 long sleeve, I'm bringing 2 instead of 3. And then I'll be putting the shorts also here. Each one is different, but they're like knee height, great for hiking. So this is less sportive. I've had this one for a very long time. Then I've got the Arc'teryx ones. All right, that's 4. So everything fit. Well, you're meeting all my cats. First, that was Stormy earlier, and now that's Nala. All right, so now I'm gonna put everything in with the shoes, but the ones I'm carrying and one of the jackets. So it'll be only 1 jacket extra that I'm packing if it fits. Okay, now it's time to put on of these tubes inside. You saw what I added in there. And 2 of them fit perfectly in one side of the suitcase. And then the other one pours up with the other 2. I'm gonna have to probably put the bathroom stuff like this, one side. And now the challenge will be to add the extras, but I think this is gonna be fun. I put this one on top. And holster this one. I think it's going to work. Maybe I'm just gonna have to figure this one out first. Right. And now we'll be putting the sandals. I'm gonna only wear these shoes because they're the heaviest ones. And then pack these ones right here. This is the clothes I'm gonna wear, so I'm not gonna pack it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make it work if I can fit the shoes in between all the cubes. Now instead of put the shoes in different spots where there is a hole, get the extra jacket on top of the cubes and the space here on top of my bathroom stuff to put the socks on. We'll modify it a little bit. Like now, let's see if this works. And if I can close the carry-on, I'm on out the camper. I'm ready then to go. So far, so good. Here we go. Damn, I got it. It all fit. And then I just have space here in the phone to put my computer. All right, this is set. Now it's just time to travel. And yeah, this is the jacket I wear, super lightweight. Also, I'm going to be wearing my hiking shoes just because they're heavy and they don't fit in my suitcase. And then my Adidas super comfortable travel pants, a long sleeve because we're traveling from San Francisco and it's going to be cold, and a super lightweight tank top from Arc'teryx. So this is it. This is what I'm going to be traveling with. Very excited. If you want to see the photography video, it's going to come after this one. stay tuned for that one. Just subscribe. And if you like my videos, like them, share them. Anything works and helps. And yeah, very excited to share the photos I'll take when I'm there. Thanks for listening.